What's up, guys? It's your girl Tiff, and I am back with another wig video for you guys. If I'm looking at my baby on the baby monitor and like, oh my god. Anyway, I'm back with a wig review for you guys. If you're looking at this look like, damn, didn't I just see a video on this look? You sure did. You sure did. And if you didn't, click the link below for the look for this, or for the video for this look. But it is like literally almost 11 o'clock at night, and I wanted to get this video filmed. So before I take off my makeup, I'm gonna go ahead and film this video. So today we are going to be reviewing the Meadow Deep the Meadow Deep Invisible L-part lace front wig. This is what the wig looks like. This is the name or style Bubble Meadow. Okay, Bubble Meadow. So the style is Bubble Meadow. It's basically like a loose wavy bob. Y'all already know how I feel about bobs. Y'all know I love me some bobs. Because it is a lace wig, it does have the lace still attached to it. That is the L shape. So this is the L shape. And like before I put it on, you know, it's short in the back and kind of long on the side. Your girl cannot find not a single freaking wig cap. Like, I don't know where any of my wig caps are. I have about 4 and I can't find none. So y'all finna see me right now with this bonnet, and then you finna see me with this wig on. Let's go. All right. Mommy be right upstairs, okay, baby? I will be right upstairs, okay, baby? Whew, all right. All right, y'all. So this is the wig, and I unhooked one strap just because, like I said, it looked like it's tight, but I can go ahead and put that strap or put that link back in there and, you know, get it back nice and tight. But this is actually really this is really nice, y'all. Like, do you see? So there is the lace. So I am gonna go ahead and cut the lace off and really situate the wig on my head so you guys can see how it looks. Yeah, let me do that real quick, okay? Alright, so I have cut the lace off of the wig, and right now, you know, let me adjust my mirror. I know y'all hear me say this, but I really like this wig. I love the way this wig is cut. I love the way it kind of swoops over right there, and then it has just like the curls. Yeah, I definitely love the curls. I love the way the hair feels. I love the density of it. I love the fact that it's not super shiny. Look, rubbing my fingers through it. Rubbing my fingers through it. No tangling or none of that stuff like that. Not even any shedding. This is the part as it is. Let me see. I got a little bit of powder. A little bit of my Maybelline powder that I can just dust on there, just to kind of, you know. Ooh, that looked too light. I'm gonna use my MAC powder in a second. But just to kind of show you guys how that part looks. That is the part. I just put the Maybelline loose powder on it, and that was just a little bit too light. So I'm just rubbing a little bit of my Anastasia contour kit, just one of the tan colors, and just kind of rubbing that right there. just to kind of make that part look a little bit more, you know, a little bit more natural, a little bit more believable. But overall, this is the actual wig. Let me show you guys the back. So this is the back of the wig. As you guys can see, it's cut really short right here and it's long on the sides. Alright guys, so this is it for this wig. I'm actually really feeling this wig. I really do like it. Y'all know I'm gonna keep it 100 and real all the time if I don't like a wig. And so far I have loved almost every wig that I have gotten except for that Yara Bang. Me and that Yara Bang wig, baby, no. But this wig I love. Like I said, this is the Model Deep L part wig. I got this from Divatress. I don't remember the exact price off the top of my head, but y'all already know I didn't spend like over $40. If I did, it was probably $40, $45. But I'm gonna have that linked with the Wig Deets all in the description bar below. The Wig Deets, the price, whatever. Like I said, I have this in the color 1B. And yeah, I mean, I don't really know what you guys be wanting me to say up in these wig reviews. I just want to try to keep it as short, sweet, and simple as possible. Give you guys a look of the wig, so if you're interested, you can go get it, because that's what I do. Like a lot of times when I'm not sure what wig I want to do, I'll shop around on YouTube and look at other people. And some wigs I just take a chance and say, let me buy it. Like hopefully it'll look good. Some wigs I actually will see someone else purchase, so I'm like, let me get that. And some wigs I'm learning to just take a chance to see how that works. But this wig right here, I would probably say this is almost like my third favorite wig, because you guys know I had a wig like this before that I actually purchased like twice. But I'm liking this one a little bit more. I'm liking this one a little bit more, y'all. So yeah, if you guys like this wig and you want to continue to see more videos like this, you already know I'm going to ask you to do. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to share this video. And if you want me to come and do a review in about 3 to 4 weeks and let you know how the wig is holding up, you know, did I experience anything else, then go ahead and leave that in the comment section below. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video.